Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video by SMARTPATHTUTORING. Today's topic is isotopes and nuclear radiation in GCSE physics. Let's get started with the video. Starting off with the first slide, I'll be explaining isotopes are different forms of the same element. All elements have different isotopes, but there are usually only one or two stable ones. The other unstable isotopes tend to decay into other elements and give out radiations as they try to become more stable. This process is called radioactive decay. Radioactive substances spit out one or more types of ionizing radiation from their nucleus. The ones you need to know are alpha, beta, and gamma radiation. They can also release neutrons, N, when they decay, as they rebalance their atomic and mass numbers. Ionizing radiation is radiation that knocks electrons off atoms, creating positive ions. The ionizing power of a radiation source is how easily it can do this. Alpha particles are helium nuclei. Alpha radiation is when an alpha particle is emitted from the nucleus. An alpha particle is 2 neutrons and 2 protons, for example, like a helium nucleus. They don't penetrate very far into materials and are stopped quickly. They can only travel a few centimeters in air and are absorbed by a sheet of paper. Because of their size, they are strongly ionizing. Alpha radiation is used in smoke detectors. It ionizes air particles, causing a current to flow. If there is smoke in the air, it binds to the ions, meaning the current stops and the alarm sounds. Beta particles are high-speed electrons. A beta particle is simply a fast-moving electron released by the nucleus. Beta particles have virtually no mass and a charge of -1. They are moderately ionizing. They penetrate moderately far into materials before colliding and have a range in air of a few meters. They are absorbed by a sheet of aluminium around 5 mm. For every beta particle emitted, a neutron in the nucleus has turned into a proton. Beta emitters are used to test thickness of sheets of metal. As the particles are not immediately absorbed by the particle like alpha radiation would be, and do not penetrate as far as gamma says. Gamma rays are EM waves with a short wavelength. Gamma rays are waves of electromagnetic radiation released by the nucleus. They penetrate far into materials without being stopped and will travel a long different distance through air. This means they are weakly ionizing because they tend to pass through rather than collide with atoms. Eventually, they hit something and do damage. They can be absorbed by thick sheets of lead or meters of concrete. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Hope you understood everything. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and please hit our bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.